Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing this daily challenge from CopyPasta. The hint for today it said, what if Alice and Bob have the same token name? Okay, so for that, let's start first of all. As usual, we create whatever we need. So let's say, for example, the first user, Jalil, email Jalil at local.com. Jalil, password Jalil123. So this is the first user, or let's use the same hint so we don't confuse. So what we call it, Alice and Bob. No, let's do this. Not so we have the now we're talking about the key. So let's say first of all, network. We have the post request that we create a user. We can create a second user from here directly. We can just create another one too. Email 2, can keep the same password, full name 2. So we already create a second user now, so second user is this one. uh, the token is not a JWT, so it's not a JWT confusion, but if you did this room before, you can notice there's something interesting in this room. Is the account setting has this API, and this person token for pragmatic access, send them in the x-api-key request head. So you can see this is the token name. So if I say my token, we use the same name and generate. Let's copy that one, and let's say for Jalil we have this token. And if you go to your API endpoint, you can see here is the token get created on an API token, and in response it can a token, and you can view it, the token, they say my token, it call it through an API token for this specific user, and a response it give that token. Now let's keep this one here, and then the next question is I think that's all. If you go to dashboard, where is that endpoint always? Why the GS is not coming? This GS, what's wrong with you? I don't see it. Oh, interesting. Let's refresh the page. Oh, this one. I'm looking for this one. This endpoint. I'm coming back to you. I'm just want to. You can see this point. I'm just looking for this one. This one that verify the token. You can see this endpoint verify token. So if you send it, it come back with a user and bio and raw. So this one is very interesting API. We look for it later on. So for now, what we did, we created a token for the first user. Let's for the first user, let's log out and get the second user for now, because we create our token now for the first user, and we called it my token. Let's log out and log in as the user number 2. So if I log in number 2 and profile and go again to settings, and then do again the same things we did before, but this time we create a token, the same name, my token, and we generate, we get the token. Sorry guys. So if we, sorry, my voice generated 2, we got this token. Now what we can do with these things, remember the verify endpoint that we talked about it before. So this one, let's do this, edit response. if I if put, for example, .x API token, that's the name, key, not token, key, we are at number 2, so this is our key. Of course, if you put your own key, it doesn't see difference, so sorry. So it doesn't make any difference if I send it there, but remember this is ID 2, the second token for the user. But what happens if I put the other user token? Does the API check the name or check the token itself? You can see it doesn't make a verification, it just replies. So the endpoint token, you just bring your own token. But open the API, verify token, the verified token, if I remove this one and check it, it will give me username Jalil2 as expected. So we have username 2, it doesn't give you the things or not. This is 32 is the user 2, no, 32 is user 1. So remember, without API T I get Jalil2, which is normal, that it's verify my own authorization bearer token. If I put this 132, which is user, the first user, Jalil, and add it in the header, look what happened. It go to the first user, Jalil. It verify the user. Um, uh, and so no, I'm getting confused. Where is the flag now? I'm logging with who? Jalil2. Jalil2 token is this one. So why I'm getting this is my own token. Oh, that's the confusion. Okay, this is very funny. So I think what's the problem here? When you send your own token, this is my own token JD2 EE, so it's this one. Because it seems the app, it's like a do select from key or something where name equal. So it doesn't, it's supposed to be, for example, key equal, not, but now it use name equal. So if I give a mine, which is my token, so ready to give a this key, which is exactly what we send there, and because this one also called my token, so there's confusion somewhere there, and instead to check this one, it check this one, and this one is for user Jalil. It's a bit confusing to be a real life scenario. I'm not sure. Even if to think without a hint, I don't think I would be able to solve it, to be honest. So by sending your own token with the same known and a token of another user, because this user has the same name, now I get the profile for this user, and that profile will give me the flag for today. Interesting. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.